Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to film outside today since it was a nice day, and I was really craving like a nice homemade fresh turkey sandwich, guys. And I thought, may as well just film it outside in the park. I'm not in the park, outside in my backyard. And I'm very close to like a kind of like a main street a little bit, so you might hear some cars. But hopefully I won't bug you too much. We'll see. But this is sourdough bread with mayonnaise, Swiss cheese. We have some turkey, tomatoes, fresh lettuce. Iceberg lettuce. I got the lettuce today and tomato today, so super fresh. I got this at grocery outlet. For a snack, I got some snacks at grocery outlet that I wanted to share with you. I went to grocery outlet today, and I got these aqua fritters. These are $2.99 for 4. Try them out. And also these vanilla cream cookies look really good. These are only like $1.29, I think. Super cheap. And to drink, we'll try something different. This is called a Deep Fizz. It's like an energy B12 drink or something. So this was on my Amazon wish list. My brother got it for me. Not at Amazon. He actually found it at Costco. It was cheaper. It was only 22 bucks. And Amazon it's like 30, I think. So it's cheap if you have a Costco membership. And it's really cute. So it comes in these really cute tubes. And you have a choice of fruit punch, I think, orange and grape. I'm gonna try grape today. I haven't tried grape before. So I just wanted to show you how you do it. You just get a bottle of water. I took some of it out. I think it's better that way. And so what you do is you put this in the water and you shake it, basically. So you close. Oh crap! I think I put too much in. Damn. All right. So see how it's fizzing like that? I think I should have. Let me wait till it fizzes, and then I think I should have took less water out. But let's go ahead and start with eating the sandwich as that fizzes away. And I don't. All right, guys. Cheers. Wow. The tomatoes really fresh. The lettuce, I got the tomato lettuce at grocery outlet and it was really good. All right, let me shake this up. Yeah, I think you put in a bottle of water. I think you should empty a little bit more water. This is gonna be really crazy and fizzy. Shake it up really good. And then let's see what happens when I lift. I hope it doesn't like pop. Okay. Sometimes before I would open it up and it would like pop or something, the lid. The grape is good. It almost tastes like grape Kool-Aid, to be honest. I have to say, it does give me a boost of energy. I don't know if it's like, if you guys follow Running Bear, he's also a subscriber of mine. He does videos. He did a review on that, and he sent me a message. Hey, you gotta try this. I'm like, okay, maybe I will. But I don't know if I spend 30 bucks. Because a lot of times when they advertise energy drinks, there's like this really sweet sweetener that I don't really like. This is not too bad. It's actually really good, to be honest. And it does give me a boost of energy. I don't know if it's like when Running Bear, I think when he said he got energy like right away. For me, no, I don't think I got energy like right away, but a good perk. I'm gonna say that, a good perk. I don't know. I think it might be better than Emergency. I take Emergency as well for energy. And let's see what does it has. It has vitamin A, C, E, B. It has definitely B, zinc, magnesium, calcium, a lot of different stuff. No caffeine in here, in case you're curious about caffeine, you're allergic to caffeine, or you can't have too much caffeine. No caffeine. But I think I like grape flavor the best. It's really good. So I worked today around 4 o'clock. So it should be a good day. I woke up today feeling really good. I'm trying to delete some negative people out of my life and just, you know, do more positive things. And I say, guys, if there's something that doesn't work for you, like a job or people, delete that out of your life. You're gonna feel much better. I'm starting to already, actually. So I think this week is going to be a good vlog. By the way, I think this is May 2nd or 3rd. So the week of May 2nd, 3rd, it's going to be a really good vlog. Because I just did a little grocery haul, grocery outlet at 2 bags. Not quite full bags, but a good amount. So almost 2 bags for $36.50. That's really cheap, huh? I'm so excited to find some grass-fed beef. Oh, this sandwich is so good. Turkey's really good too. So I got the turkey from Grocery Outlet as well. It's like a really good turkey. So let me tell you guys why I shopped at Grocery Outlet today. I haven't shopped in years. Actually, some people may or may not know this. I used to work at Grocery Outlet. Not the location I went to today, but a different location. So I kind of know. Basically, it's cheap, but basically, you have to watch for expiration dates. Everything was pretty good, except for the beef. Expires in 2 weeks. Well, they say you have to use or freeze in 2 weeks. So the reason why I went to Grocery Outlet today is because this Grocery Outlet owner has been posting videos every day on Facebook of all his, whatever he has in stock. Like every day it changes. And if he gets a truck, you know, like bread, like if he gets a truck or if he gets bread in, he'll let you know. So it's really cool. So I actually messaged him. I said, do you have any grass-fed beef? Because at Safeway, I can't find any grass-fed beef or organic. Nothing. Everything's gone. And he said, yeah, we have plenty of it. I'm like, cool. So today I got some grass-fed beef. I think I'm going to get more. Because I thought you had to use it like in 2 weeks, but I think you have to freeze it by 2 weeks. So I think I'm good. I'm a person that doesn't like a lot of meat on my sandwiches. I don't need like a lot of meat, but I like a lot of lettuce, tomato. But yeah, it's really good. Want a part of it? So when I went to Grocery Outlet today, I got a small bag of avocados. So I think they're gonna be fresh, ready to go in the next 3 days or so. Today's Saturday, by the way. So I think next week I'm gonna make. I have these like frozen, I think Budweiser fish fillets or something like that. And I think I'm gonna make. So I think I want to make some like fish tacos, and I think I want to make like some fresh guacamole with some chips. I think that'd be a good video. I haven't had a fresh sandwich in a while, like a homemade sandwich that I actually made. So it tastes really good to make your own food. I'm going to been talking lately about shortage of meat, so if you guys can't find the meat you want, check out Grocery Outlet. Because I think if you, Safeway, I don't know if you guys know what Safeway is. It's like a really big supermarket in my area. People go there. It's a big store. They have organic foods and not organic, mix of stuff. So I would say if you can't find what you're looking for, try a smaller store like Grocery Outlet. I'm glad I went there today. Walmart's crazy. What? Walmart is cheap too, but it's really busy, and there's always a line. There's never there's no line at Grocery Outlet, so I hate when I have to wait in line for a store, you know. Also at Grocery Outlet, there was this Taco Bell pack. I think 12 tacos shells included some sauce for like only 99 cents. I can't believe it. That's so cheap. This is so good. Let's try these vanilla cream cookies. Like I said, it's May 2nd, 3rd. I forgot the date. I'm going to try to get this video out next week, but if you like any of these products that show up from Grocery Outlet, you can get them. Hopefully. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. You get like 3 rows of cookies. That's good, right? What do they look like? There's vanilla. And let's try it out. That's good. It doesn't say about no artificial anything, so I don't know if it's like how good they are for you. Probably not very good for you, but so it's by Earth Fare. It doesn't say organic on the box, but in the back it says, "Our vision is to be the most trusted organic and natural food market in the country." So that's interesting. I don't know what that one is. These are good. Man, they're really good. Like you see them with a cup of coffee, with a snack. Oh, they're so good. They're good. Now I'm gonna try these apple fritters. Yeah, that has a nice vanilla taste. I like that cookie a lot. I don't know if I'll have the whole thing because I'm pretty full of this sandwich, but I'll have a few bites at least and tell you what I think. This is also be great for coffee, I think. So it's an apple fritter, guys. Let's check it out. It's pretty good. It's like a donut kind of, but with apples or something. A lot of times I crave donuts, so this will be perfect. And there's 4 in here. Yeah. Really good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit different today. Just simple foods. Chat with you guys. But I do hope you like this video. And let me know if you shop at Grocery Outlet. I think I'll be shopping there more often. Get some really good products that are really reasonable. And if you can't, you know, I'm able to find meat that I can't find in other large stores. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And if you're feeling down today or depressed, just take a walk. Get some fresh air, take a nap, go into a park will give you some energy, and just release all that negative energy that is on your body, because once you are free of that negative energy, you can feel much happier, because I already do. So, all right guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.